There were things I thought I already knew. For example, bibliography searches, databases search. But when I attended the library, especially Splash, I was given new ways of doing the searches, which helped me tremendously.
But maybe this paragraph doesn't fit there. Maybe you should reconsider like your structure or something like that, which I found really helpful, especially in my first year.
That writing skills workshop, it helped to break it down into little steps, and that was really helpful.
I go in and they help me organise my work, make sure I'm staying on top of everything, because having dyslexia and dyspraxia, I am very disorganised and stuff, so it's kind of just like a push in the right direction, making sure I'm on top of everything.
I just thought the things I used to struggle with in the past were natural, were normal, but having been assessed here in the library and given the opportunities to use the services, I can say 100% it doubled my chances of success.
Making sure I've got my organisation right, just even, they've helped me read over stuff and spot horrendous spelling errors which I've made.
Getting into the habit early is something that I only started using the library resources properly in my third year.
There was always somebody there to answer my question or my questions.
It actually changed the way I worked, I think. I reckon I saw a marked increase in my results.